channel. Y'all already know what time it is. Y'all already know what to do. Y'all already know the vibes. Y'all already know what's finna give, what's finna give, or whatever. So we've been to basically clean up, do our spring cleaning, Sunday reset, even though it ain't Sunday or whatever, get a clean house until the New Year's and stuff like that right there. We have a lot to do actually, but it's okay. You know what I'm saying? I just gotta clean up my room, clean up the bathroom, and clean up the living room or whatever. Ooh, wee. So before I feel like I'm gonna get up all this stuff, I'm trying to see what should I do first. Should I change my sheets and stuff first, or should I get the stuff up off the floor first? Really, I can't get the stuff up off the floor until, you know what? It's just too much. I'm just gonna get started, boo. Because this ain't, if I just go ahead and say never mind, I'm just gonna get started. Anyway, y'all, stay tuned. So y'all, I really didn't even feel like cleaning up for the new year. I ain't even gonna lie. Like, I was just like, girl, I was just gonna let this house just go to the dogs. Do you hear me? Because like, I was just lazy. I don't know what's been giving. I don't know what's been going on with my body for these last 2 weeks, but I've been feeling down. But I mustered up enough strength after I had done got through working out, y'all. Make sure y'all go and check out my new workout channel, Get Fit with Kel. I'm going over there working out and stuff like that right there, trying to get my figure together because, baby, I'm tired of being big. You see these rolls on me. Like, what the hell? Like, I was just like, I gotta get this all the way together in the New Year's. And yes, y'all, I forgot to vlog my New Year's. I had a time. I had a ball. Honestly, y'all, I wouldn't want to really be plagued by, like, recording and stuff like that right there. I was real cute. Got ready, you know what I'm saying? Done did my hair, all type of shit, bitch. Done put this shit on, put on the outfit. Done drove an hour and a half to my other friend's house, you know what I'm saying? And one of Robin's done got drunk, was playing drinking games. So we had a ball. We had a time. Hey, barbecue and stuff like that right there. It was me, my son, and my man. You know, we just had a little good time for the New Year's. It really wasn't, you know what I'm saying, too much. We brought in the New Year at home, though. But at the same time, y'all, I was just, like, over it. But yeah, y'all, I just wanted to spend the holidays, you know what I'm saying, not worrying about recording and getting ready and all this extra stuff. But I had a good holiday. What y'all do for the holidays? Did y'all spend it at the club? Did y'all, you know what I'm saying, spend it with y'all families? What was it giving? You know what I'm saying? Did y'all, you know what I'm saying, enjoy it? Because I know sometimes the New Year's and stuff like that be hard for some people because they don't have family and all this extra stuff. So I'd be like... But yeah, y'all, for the new year, I'm starting off with a clean mind, positive, great vibes, you know what I'm saying, trying to get everything I want to accomplish. So I spent the last few days of the last, days of last year trying to get myself started into my healthy habits, i.e. working out, and, you know what I'm saying, start procrastinating, getting stuff done when I'm supposed to get it done. And yeah, just working on everything that I said I wanted to work on in my New Year's resolution and stuff like that right there. And I want to stick to it, period. I don't want to be one of those people be sticking to it for like a week or two and then, you know what I'm saying, 3 months in, you back to the same old bullshit. And yes, I did bring the new year in. And I left a couple people in 2025, and they can't get no more conversation out of me, period. Literally nothing, nada. And everybody should be the same, but everybody shouldn't, feel bad about cutting people off because y'all had y'all chances, and y'all had a whole year to fix it, bitch. And guess what, bitch? Anyway, they knew who that's for. But yeah, y'all, I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to clean up this house and clean up this room and clean up my bathroom and clean up my living room and stuff like that right there. Walking into the new year, I was going to do, a couple videos, which I was procrastinating about. But, y'all, I had to take a couple of breaks. You know what I'm saying? I can't be, I'm like, damn, shit, it's the holidays. Let me go ahead and. But yeah, y'all, so make sure you guys like this video and subscribe. Make sure you guys continue to tune in. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you guys go tune into my other videos and stuff like that right there. Let me know what you guys want to see from me in the new year, content-wise, and stuff like that right there. We going up. We doing bigger things. You know what I'm saying? We only getting bigger and better, period. Yeah. Alright guys, so I am done cleaning up. This is the bathroom, all nice and clean and stuff like that right there. This is my room, clean for the most part. I just straightened up. I really need to go through some clothes, honestly, and give some clothes away because I have too much stuff. But
what is the dustpan?
Look downstairs or look in your room. I don't know what happened. We got like 3 dustpans. So what's it giving? I ain't got to sweep up under the sofa.
Wait.
But yeah, so living room nice and clean, as you guys can see. I don't know what's wrong with my camera, girl, go over. So this is the kid living room or whatever, nice and clean. I got my packages on the what's the name, but hey, it is what it is. But yeah, I'm finna hey. So basically, I'm done, y'all. So that is it for the little Sunday reset. I did a little, you know what I'm saying, here and there. I tried to record everything. I forgot to record me cleaning up the living room, actually. But yeah, the kitchen is straightened up. All we had to do was wash dishes and stuff like that right there. But yeah, y'all, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.